Welcome to my introduction to adding value in the workplace. Adding value means improving outcomes beyond basic duties. Employers seek impact, not just effort. Value add is critical for team success and career growth. We will guide you through some of the essential and recommended strategies to follow. The value-added mindset expects quality results and focuses on meaningful outcomes. Strategic effort is key to success, and one will do more than what matters. The impact is always measured, and real value creation is always celebrated. My recommended ways to consistently add value are to always exceed expectations and to go beyond assigned duties with exceptional quality. The focus must be to enhance customer experience and to create memorable interactions that build loyalty. It is imperative to build strong relationships by supporting colleagues and fostering team success. Continuous learning is also key by regularly updating and improving your skills. To be noticed as one that adds value, my recommended best practice would include communicating as a value driver. Share progress by proactively communicating results. Follow through by delivering on communication commitments. Listen actively to clearly understand colleagues and customers. It is also important to seek feedback and to gather and implement any improvement suggestions given by colleagues and/or customers. Being flexible and adaptable are some of the most important behaviors one can have. Embrace change and always welcome new processes and directions. Overcome your obstacles by finding solutions to unexpected challenges. This in itself will go a long way. Always show that you take initiative by learning new tools without being asked. The following needs to be avoided at all costs, as it will create a negative perception and be unfavorable to your position. Never mistake busyness for adding value because activity without results wastes resources. Focus on outcomes that matter to the organization. Avoid working in isolation. Neglecting the team impact will reduce overall effectiveness. One needs to collaborate to multiply contributions. Never ever ignore the customer's needs. Missing feedback leads to irrelevant work. One needs to stay connected to those being served. Avoid skill complacency. Stagnating skills limit your value and therefore you need to keep on learning to remain relevant. Next, we have some pitfalls and traps to look out for. You might know the hamster wheel, where you are doing more without providing meaningful results. Priority blindness also happens when you are missing changes in the company direction. Sometimes communication gaps open up, and this is because you are under-communicating achievements and needs. Avoid neglecting learning other skills or tools. Failing to adapt through continuous education can be costly to your position. So, to summarize, I would recommend that you always focus on impact. Always deliver quality contributions that drive results. Communicating effectively is just as important, and you should share progress, listen actively, and seek feedback as often as possible. Be mindful to always embrace change and keep on learning new skills and adapt continuously. It is very important to reflect regularly and ask how your work improves outcomes for others. If you found value in the information I shared, please like and subscribe, and join me in the next video.